All of Maria's marbles are red, green, or blue. She has half as many red marbles as green marbles, and twice as many blue marbles as green marbles. Which of the following could be the total number of marbles in Maria's collection? The choices are 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's give a name to the count we compare everything to. Let G stand for the number of green marbles. Then the red marbles are half of that, G over 2, and the blue marbles are twice that, 2 grams. Now add up all three colors. The total is G over 2, plus G, plus 2 grams. Writing G as 2 halves and 2 grams as 4 halves, we get 7 halves of G. So the total equals 7 grams over 2. For this total to be a whole number, 7 grams over 2 must divide evenly. So G must be an even number. That makes the total a multiple of 7. When G is 2, the total is 7. When G is 4, 14. When G is 6, 21. And when G is 8, the total is 28. Now check the answer choices. The only one that is a multiple of 7 is 28. With G equal to 8, Maria has 4 red, 8 green, and 16 blue marbles, for a total of 28. So the total number of marbles could be 28, which is answer choice E.